Welcome to our Flutter tutorial. In this video, we'll explore the differences between two fundamental Flutter widgets, Container and SizeBox. Understanding when to use Container and SizeBox is crucial for achieving precise control over your layout and design. Let's dive in. First, let's clarify what a container widget is. A container is a versatile Flutter widget that allows you to create a box with a variety of styling and layout properties. It can hold a single child and provides properties for things like padding, margin, alignment, and decoration. Now, let's explore the SizeBox widget. A SizeBox is a Flutter widget designed for one specific purpose: to enforce fixed dimensions on its child widget. You set the width and height properties to define the exact size of the child it wraps. Let's discuss some common use cases for Container and SizeBox to understand their differences. Container is excellent when you need a versatile, styled box to wrap content. It's perfect for building complex layouts with padding, margin, and decoration. SizeBox, on the other hand, is used when you require a widget with specific fixed dimensions. It's ideal for creating consistent spacing or enforcing exact size. One key difference between the two is flexibility. Container provides more flexibility for responsive design and dynamic layouts, as you can use properties like alignment to adapt to different screen sizes. SizeBox enforces fixed dimensions, which may not adapt well to various screen sizes. It's suitable for cases where a specific size is required. In conclusion, Container and SizeBox are both valuable widgets in Flutter, but they serve different purposes. Use Container for dynamic, styled layouts and SizeBox when you need to control the exact size of a child widget. With a clear understanding of their differences, you can make informed decisions when building Flutter UIs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Happy coding!